I always procrastinate hardcore when it comes to packing, and our flight leaves unofficially, or no, we have to start driving to LA in 4 hours and I haven't packed a single thing. It is now 45 minutes until I have to go and pick Ryan up, so I'm going to show you guys a couple of the outfits I'm bringing, like my bathing suits and my dinner outfits. Also, excuse the mess behind me, I just like turned my room upside down in order to find these outfits. This is cute. I don't know, it's like on brown. See, dress corset, style one. Look at it. It's many hours later. I didn't vlog the rest of me setting up because it was really late and we literally left 5 minutes over schedule, but we are at the Marriott now with all of our like million luggages. Hi guys, it's now 4 a.m. I'm looking a little disheveled right now. Not too bad. Alright, TGI Fridays getting breakfast. I got chicken and waffles. Sophie got brioche French toast. My mom got an omelet. I've ordered that. Look at he's trying to stab you guys. And then Ryan got this one sausage right there. God. We made it out of the airport. We survived our long flights. We got picked up by like our private driver, which is the best way to like get around the Dominican. Definitely just hire someone because the airport is full of taxi people. They're giving me a foot brace. Yeah, that exists. Okay, we've made it to the hotel. This is our room. I'm gonna give you guys a quick tour. Go. Alright, when we enter, there's this bench thingy. And here we've got this little mini bar thing. This way. It's fully stocked with like some snacks. Here's the full little kitchen area. Here we've got our closet. And then they're super nice and they gave us this little beach bag that we can take home at the end. This is the beds. We got 2. This is this view of the room. Then if we go this way, the bathroom is super nice. There's Sophie. The shower, super nice. Our room is looking better than our parents' room. Here's this.
And then here's this one. Shaving her legs because she didn't do it before we left, bro.
I'll do it right now because I was walking around, we sat down, I looked down at my legs and they're so hairy and I went, you're so sad, bro.
And like, keep this under?
No, just, yeah.
Who are you, my dad?
I know.
This is my new OOTD for the day. I put on makeup and I refreshed my curls. I just added these little white cane heels, or not cane heels, they're like little platform wedges. They're from Shein and they're really comfy. This is what I'm wearing today. I'm wearing this little black bow tankini set. I feel like this is really cute. It's giving like Polly Pocket vibes with the shoes. Okay, we're all having lunch together now. We joined up with my dad and my mom. She's at the bar
Is
over
that
there.
putting pressure?
But I got to eat. I got beans, rice, chicken. OOTD for the day. I'm wearing this little Tiger Mist 2-piece set. It's cute. And then like these little black shoes that I got that I think are cute. I got a margarita pizza, and Sophie got air.
So yeah, make sure you chew it properly.
This is good.
What's up, y'all? We're playing hide and seek. They're gonna be hiding around this hotel area.
It's so cute. Send a picture to Dad. I didn't get any sleep. I'm super tired, but we are going to the Isla Saona today. So we have to leave super early, and we just ordered room service, and this is what we got. Here's these really thick syrup. Got some bacon, eggs, some pancakes, some over here. They gave us all these pastries, and then some waffles, more pancakes, and then some fruit over there.
Giving me two.
Ryan got this hat.
Así que a seguirme todos. Muchas gracias.
We're at the buffet tonight for dinner. I got a mix of 2 different pastas, potatoes, rice, quinoa, and meat.
No responde pero siempre tira un like y eso me tiene.
We finally woke up early enough for breakfast, so this is what we got. We got pineapple, watermelon, melon, a chocolate croissant, a crepe, some sauteed potatoes, and bacon. Here's the OOTD for the day. Little orange flower, this cute little gold necklace. Got this vintage orange bikini. Excited to wear it. We're doing family pictures on the beach today, so we're all wearing white.
Hey, Dammers. How was your night?
It was great. I actually decided to go out and dance out on the beach because there was a beach party at the hotel. And there's this beautiful woman there that I'm obsessed with, that my mum is friends with. And she said that I should model. Such a compliment. And then we danced for a long time. We did the choreography that the hotel staff was showing us and partied. And then it started raining, so we started dancing in the rain. It was a lot of fun. And then it started really raining, so we cancelled the party early. We had to run home. Some terrible news because this one guy who works here is obsessed with my dad for some reason. Because everyone is obsessed with my dad. He said, "We have lots of fun games. I want you guys to participate." And I said, "No, can do, brother. Sorry, we've got an excursion tomorrow, 8 a.m. He said, "What about you in the night?" And I said,
Pops.
"Yes, perhaps we'll be here in the night time." And then he was like, "Perfect. I will find you. And if not, I'll find you the next day. And I will single-handedly single you out, your family out, and you guys will participate in these games with us." Okay, we made it to the skate park in Punta Cana. This is my second time here, and it's one of my favorite places. So, hola.
Have fun with us, let's say happy, 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 happy.
You're falling and you can't get up?
Happy, happy.
We have one at home, we just have to fix it. Today's OTD, I'm wearing skate park wristband. My cover up is from IMGA. I'm wearing a black bikini underneath, and then got my sandals and some like little waist chains. And then I have this like that my mom gave me.
My happy day, I want to sing it all the day. My best friends are always with me. We sing, we dance, we laugh, we are happy every day. Have fun with us, let's say happy, 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 happy. Happy, happy, happy.
trek. I think it's like a mile to get to this blue hole cenote. Last time we went, I don't really remember it that well because I don't think we got to experience it. How's Sophie?
I remember it. We literally, it's so far away that the second we got there, we had to leave and we didn't even get to go in.
What happened?
Guys, I can't run.
But the stakes of the
Good morning. It's been a while since I last did a video. Enjoying like our past few days basically. Yesterday was officially our last like full day and we had a great time. We kind of went all out. We danced like as much as we could, danced with like the employees. We sadly made like a bunch of new friends on the last day. We've been staying every day. Here's a little dance. Today's Sophie's last meal.
I'm getting the most unhealthy meal ever.
So she got.
Buenos dias.
Buenos dias, hola. That's what I got. Right, what'd you get?
Eggs, bacon, sausage.
You're welcome, guys. I just saved your freaking lives.
Good chest.
Hey guys, this is editing me right now. Wait, let me move this because I'm not naked. I'm wearing a shirt. But I forgot to record an outro for this video, but thank you guys so much for watching this. This is my first ever YouTube video that I'm actually going to upload because I've filmed a ton. If you guys have any tips for me or anything that you guys would like to see, definitely let me know. But again, thank you for watching.